Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all the Stalky plants in Grow a Garden game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Safari update has been dropped in Grow a Garden and you need to submit the required fruits to this NPC. And now she's looking for Stalky plants and it means that you need to submit the Stalky plants that you have. And I'm going to show you all the Stalky plants that you can submit to the NPC. So guys, these are the Stalky type crops or plants. These are the like the famous or trending seed. For example, this chicken feed, and then crimson thorn, and burning bread, and beanstalk, candy corn flower, severed spine, sear vine, and multi-trap. And these are all Stalky plants. So you can submit one of these plants to the NPC to meet the requirement. Okay, yeah, if you want to get all the plants guys, as reference you can go to this growagardenrandom.com. Usually I check the plants here. And okay guys, that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.